Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich, creamy and delicious dessert, butter pudding. Soft like mousse, comforting like custard, and it's made with leftover bread. Let's turn simple ingredients into something magical. Take 2 slices of bread, cut off the edges. You can use any soft bread, even leftover buns or sandwich rolls work well. Then cut them into small pieces and blend into fine crumbs. This pudding is eggless and perfect for those avoiding eggs in dessert. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of custard powder with 1/3 cup of milk. Always mix custard powder with cold milk to avoid lumps. Did you know bread pudding has been made since the 11th century? Add 1.5 teaspoons of agar powder and mix again. Agar is a plant-based gelatin, perfect for those who avoid animal products. If agar isn't available, you can substitute with gelatin, just adjust the quantity. Set this aside. Now in a pan, pour 3 cups of milk and bring it to a boil. Milk adds calcium and protein, great for kids and adults alike. Add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and stir well. Then add half a cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt gently into the milk. Once the milk is well combined, add the prepared breadcrumbs. Stir and cook for a minute. Butter adds not just flavor but also gives the pudding its signature silky texture. Now pour in the custard and agar mixture while stirring continuously. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture thickens. If you want a more festive twist, add a little vanilla or cardamom for extra aroma. Strain the pudding mixture into a mold for a smooth finish. Straining the mixture before setting makes the pudding super smooth. Sprinkle some peanuts and raisin on top. Peanuts and raisin add crunch, fiber, and a natural sweet touch. You can reduce the sugar slightly and it will still taste rich and creamy. Let it cool completely, then refrigerate for 2 hours. And that's our creamy, dreamy butter pudding. A perfect dessert to impress guests, treat the family, or just enjoy after dinner. What topping would you like to try? Chocolate chips, coconut, or maybe fresh fruits? Let us know in the comments. If you like this recipe, give us a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy and creative dessert recipes. Until next time, stay sweet, stay curious, and keep baking from the heart.